Bolsonaro is going to make a lot of changes. Of course, we always used to say that Brazil has a great future and always will, and we've been disappointed in the past. But I think in this case, there are going to be some real changes. Because as you know, this Lava Jato scandal that encompassed all of Brazil is really something, a breaking point and a change. And the reason why he's elected now is because people want change and they want reform. So it's very good news.
To what extent is the bull case, though, reliant on things like the broader dollar and the broader oil price environment?
Not so much for Brazil. Brazil, as you know, has oil, and higher the price of oil, Brazil makes a heck of a lot of money. It's offshore deep oil and sometimes a little difficult to get to, but generally speaking, that's not a big factor. I think the big factor for Brazil is agriculture. What are the soybean prices going to be? What are the prices of various other agricultural commodities? And also iron ore, which is a big export for them.
Generally, Mark, we're in a pretty good spot for emerging markets after a rough patch last year. Is that going to continue, this better environment? I
think so, because if we assume that China and the U.S. will reach an agreement, which I think will happen, the Chinese market will recover, will do better. Already we've seen some signs of that. India, of course, is forging ahead in incredible growth. Brazil now is in good shape. The question mark now among the BRICS is Russia. And I believe that hopefully after the reports come out about Trump and the election, maybe relations with Russia can get better.
What about China itself, Mark, and to what extent is the outlook for China's economy reliant on the trade deal as compared to domestic factors, including their own stimulus?
Well, I think it's a very good point you make. It's more domestic factors, domestic spending. As you know, China is going through this transition from an export-led economy to a consumer-led economy, which is what they want. They want to be like the U.S., which is a U.S. Consumer economy, and they want China to be a China consumer economy going forward. And I think they're getting there slowly but surely. And if there's a trade deal done, then confidence returns. It's all about consumer confidence. Right now, people are sort of holding back in China, and I think with a trade deal, confidence will return.